Less than an hour ago, the World Health Organization declared coronavirus a global pandemic. That's a big
Yeah.
deal. One of the things that that's done is it's become a forcing function for a lot of people to say, oh, wow. Well, let me give you a real life example right here. My child's school, they're sending out an email going, gosh, we think we need to do online learning because we may have to close the schools for a while. How do we do online learning? They don't know how to do it. They literally haven't the first clue. We had that same thing happen over at EXO where we were attending lots and lots and lots of events. And all of a sudden, there are no events anymore. What do? That's kind of a problem if that's how you make your living or if that's how you get your message out. What do you think?
Absolutely. I think one of the biggest things that we've been finding, it's my kids are actually getting incredibly excited because they're saying, oh, there's a chance that we're going to stay home. And there was a point last year when we had all the violent storms and fires and things like that, and they had to stay home. I actually did my version of homeschooling, which was trying to manage my workload, but also manage them. And we actually built a whole curriculum system that kept them in line with stuff. I remember a few days in, they were like, we don't want to go back to school. Can we just stay home? So the very first thing they did when the teacher said we have to do this online learning, they were like, what could we do to make this fun and interesting? So they even problem solving. For our business, we faced something interesting just in the last couple of weeks. A huge chunk of what we do is live and in-person sessions. I was scheduled to go around 8 countries over the next 6 to 7 months. We had around 15 to 17 engagements, which were a combination of workshops, keynotes, summits, programs, all live and in person, all of them because of the size of the organization, they have to pause. It's not even that they can just push through. The law demands of that company and the contracts for maintaining their employees' health demand that they don't travel, that they don't get groups of more than 100 together. So a lot of things had to postpone for us. And so what we've been doing in a fast track is just converting those same experiences to online. Now, lucky for you and I, Ken, we've been messing with this for a few years. A lot of our business is completely remote based. So any tools and tactics, which we're going to get deeper and deeper as our audiences start to ask questions like, how do you do this? How do I still stay optimized? How do I still stay connected with my teams? I see this now magnified, the importance of being able to unlock your digital potential as a priority in your world, which is how do I still stay connected? How do I still drive impact? How do I still get my work done? How do I still inspire my kids? We now can do that because of the speed and power of tech and thanks to 5G coming in and all those things. But we have to have a strategy about it. We have to have a vision about it. We have to be able to map our old world to this new world, and we have to be able to take action on it.